So what is it? It's only FBV Friday and Happy New Year 2026. So in this video I'll be showing you the disco lights. No, in this video I'll be showing you, I think, pretty amazing really. You've got I call them bumper lights for your Neo and your Avata 2. And I'm going to show you later on in the video how you fit these, what they can do. Anyway, FBV Friday. So about 7 months ago I was sent the tactical light kit for my DJI Avata 2. I made 2 videos. One mainly was about how do you fit it, which is pretty simple, and then the second one I went out to a location where it's pretty dark, but I crashed it. Unfortunately the top bit, it fell off, I broke it, it doesn't work, but that hasn't stopped VIFLY from sending me 2 other items. And the first one I think you'll quite like. If you've got the Neo, you can put lights on it, which you've just seen in the video. It's pretty easy to do. Here's the box. There's not a lot in there. When you open it up, you've just got obviously these attachments, but you have got the instructions, guys. And same with the Avata 2, same sort of thing. Here's the lights that we're going to put around it. Instructions, but what I will say, there is a disclaimer on this one, and what it says, if you're using third-party props, it may interfere with the lights. Now, unfortunately, I've got third-party props, and what it is, these are from Master Air Screw, so I wouldn't really class them as inferior. They're pretty pricey, but I like the brightness of them. So that will be an interesting test. But I suppose the first thing you want to find out, how do you fit them on? So I'm going to start off the Neo first. And like I said before, you have got an instructions leaflet. And I think on here, there's actually a QR code as well, where there's further instructions there, just in case you don't understand what I'm doing. But to be quite honest, guys, it's pretty simple. Not a lot into it. So the first thing you need to do is what I class as the main controller. And if you go underneath and you just push these 2 arms side by side, you heard it click on, that's it. That's the main controller. You're going to see in a moment, because you don't have to take anything off. You just stick this on. You need that facing. So you just start from the back, start from there. That was it. Same as the other side, have that facing, hook it in there, that's on. So that's clipped in. How long did that take? Not very long, did it? Then you got the 2 connectors here. I'm going to connect those on now because they're a little bit fiddly because they've got big fingers. Okay, so I'll put those clips in there. That's good. Here we go. Just make sure it works. Nothing worse than going out and finding out it ain't working. What I am going to do, because you need to charge it up first, so there is a connection there. I'll just get a cable for you. So at the side there, you've got your power connection, USB-C, I believe they call it. So then you just plug that in. I will put how long it lasts for and how long it will take the charge up. It didn't take long, guys. And you just plug that into your adapter. So, turn it off, long press, it's off. The Avata 2 now. Now this one, looking at the instructions, looks a little bit more complicated. So we're going to fit on the lights for the Avata 2, pretty simple, I believe. When you get these, they are separate So you just plug it together. It will also, to protect the device anyway, these bits of foam have to be removed. So you've done that. Got the instructions there. Also there's a QR code if it gets stuck. So what I've done, I've taken these apart. I don't think it matters which side you put it on. And obviously you need that to be facing the top of the drone. And from what I can see here, it's just a matter of pushing it on. So what I've done, I used a screwdriver because this thing here needs to come up under and then hook itself on there, as you can see. Could do the other side now, like a set of bumpers as well, so it gives you that added protection when it knocks something. So there you are, just give you a close-up view of it so you get some idea. I think it's always good to see something visual than just looking at a piece of paper like these. I'm not very good at these sort of things. I always like having to go at myself. So at the front there, you've got the two cables. Now what you will get, guys, you will get two sticky pads. You only need one, and what it is, it's going to keep these cables out of the way of the actual camera. So obviously when the gimbal's going up and down, these wires are not going to interfere. So let's get that set up for you. So that plastic clip you got, you just push it in where the wires are, and then obviously on the back of this we put the sticky pad. There you are. A bit of fiddling about with my fat fingers, but I got it on there. But like I said, you got a spare pad as well. So keep the bag, as they say. I think that's the button there underneath. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Right, so what I will be doing with this one, I will be going out when it's a little bit dark. But I think even in the daylight, this is probably good enough. And to turn it off, obviously it's on the right side. We just press it in and the light's off. So to turn it on, guys, if I press it there, press it in. Okay, so that's on. And apparently you can double tap it to get different coloured lights. Okay, I'll call it like that one, a bit funky. Anyway, turn it off, press it in. There it is. One thing I forgot to warn you about, guys, the button on this is right at the underneath. So if you're packing this, just be careful that you don't, well, it doesn't get pressed. I mean, what you could do, I mean, I'm not going to do it, but you could disconnect one of the connections. It didn't take long to load up, but I'm going to leave them on there. Just want to let you know. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video, as Andy would say now, because I noticed. Hey Andy, love it, drone life, great support to the channel, I must say. As he would say, and me would say, I'll catch you in another video very sooner. Oh, you forgot it then, can you believe it?